What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. This is Northern XP YT. I recently got a 3D printer and I just wanted to take you along for the journey of 3D printing me a case for a Pokemon card. I got an Amazon package today and it came with some of this glue that I ordered. It's pretty nice. It's medium viscosity, lots of it, super glue. So I'm just gonna unbox it, and it's one of the pieces to the puzzle that we're gonna need today. I also got magnets, a lot of very, very small magnets. These were just more magnets, just with sticky on the back, and they were a little flexible. So this is the actual card I'm printing it out for. It's a PSA case, PSA graded. It's a little Charizard. Once I had all the materials, it was just time to 3D design. I'm using my PC for this. I'm going to use Tinkercad, which I know is a little bit basic for 3D modeling, but it still works and it's what I know how to use. At this point, I decided to measure the card because I actually hadn't done that yet. And we were in Bamboo Lab Studios, so I just thought I'd get it right and measure it because I had to measure and it's what it needs, so I could have a properly sized model. Now it's time to just go ahead and print it. Can take those off, but we're gonna, I'll try and figure this out real quick. So I got them out of there. It looked like it was just some light stringing. It didn't look like it was gonna kind of cause the thing to fail. So we're gonna take both of these into my garage and over to the workbench. Through some further testing, which I cut this support beam off using tin snips, the card won't actually fit in here anyway. It can't fit. Like, it's not thick enough. That's one of the only problems with this. So I'm gonna head back to the 3D design and just remake it. Printing new model. So we are back on the dirty mouse pad, but I printed the second version. As you can see, there's no real magnet spots, but we actually don't need them because it fits really well. You can see there's still quite a bit of stringing, mainly just because I didn't enable supports at all. Here, we could try and get that. Anyway, there's the card inside of the little case. It could be wider, I think. There's definitely a little bit of problem with the wideness. maybe by 2 or 3 millimeters, and higher by about 1.5 millimeters. Other than that, it seems to be a pretty good little print, as you can see. Anyways, thank you all for watching. I really appreciate it, and I hope you tune in for the next video. As always, thank you.